Hello. I kind of messed up. I was already making a video and I completely forgot about it. I didn't check it. I meant to check it. I usually check it every once in a while. Usually, I go in here. My computer's got problems, so I usually check it every once in a while. I didn't today because I haven't done one in a while. Therefore, I realized it stopped recording. I was like, okay, I finished the video. Probably stopped recording a couple minutes ago. No, it stopped recording 5 minutes after being turned on. So, redoing everything. Alright. Boom. Click block. My stomach's gonna hate me. I'm eating candy a lot. Why did I do that? I just shoved like 10 things in my mouth. I'm fine. Alright. One minute. I'm back. Okay. I'm about to sneeze right now. But if you wondered why I'm not posting lately, excuse me. If you wonder why I'm not posting lately, like it's not like because I've been busy. That's it. That's all I can say. I'm doing lots of yard work lately and stuff. If you know me, I've done a lot of yard work. And it sucks because school's starting up again, so this will be at school too. Great. Anyways, let's get to work. I was thinking about something the other day. I'm trying to look at it. It's hard to talk and code at the same time. 1 second. Alright, I was thinking about something. Whenever you think of a YouTuber, you think a millionaire that's done nothing to earn this much, like, stuff. As they're doing it, I realize that's so false. It's so hard to get people, like, it's so hard to get, like, more than 100 people. Like, I haven't even gotten 100, and I've worked really hard. Other than lately, I've been having to do yard work. Lots of it. It got out of hand. As long as we keep up with it, me and my family keep up with it, I won't have to spend, like, more than 30 minutes on it, but I'd spend, like, 4 hours on it. Every day. The only reason I have free time to right now is because I'm not feeling well. But I ate a bunch of candy. I'm drinking some lemon water. I'm good. But yeah, it's not the point. Yeah, it's really hard to get up there. I mean, some people are lucky, but I'm not one of them. I am lucky actually for having at least 50. That's like, I never thought I'd make it to 50. I thought I was at like 10. It feels like I was at 10 like 2 weeks ago. I gotta go real quick. Man, that sucked. I had to go talk about school. Oh, I'm dropping my mic. Sorry. Yeah, that's like my most said word. So, we're gonna do something up here called ROT. Local. ROT. It stands for running on track. No, I'm joking. It stands for rotation. Equals 0. Because the rotation at first is going to be 0 degrees. Okay? It's cold outside. 0 degrees. Actually, it's not cold outside. I live in Florida, so it is so hot outside when you walk out. Seriously, I walked out there today to go grab stuff out of the car, and it was so hot that I was sweating just from walking out there. It is really hot out. Anyways, it's cold inside, and that's all that matters. Actually, my fan's on the floor. That's why I feel burning hot right now. It keeps falling off my desk. But that's not the point. If rot is greater than 360, because that's max it can turn, otherwise, I'm not sure what would happen. It would just get real weird. It might just restart itself, I'm not sure. It would just glitch out. Then, rot equals 0. And then else, if rot is less than 0, then rot equals 0. We're basically resetting it. And then right below the key code, we're going to do rot equals rot plus 90. Change this how much rot you want clipping. Actually, I'll make it easy. Cool. Rot clip. You can also take it like roach equals 90. Okay, there it goes. So we got my eye has something in it. Oh, I think it was eyelash. Whoops. I'm shedding eyelashes. I got a new haircut, so I'm happy. Now we just need to make it where it, instead of doing this, like, you know, when we play the game, how it like only shows you the bottom, like of the couch or something. Like, let me show you. Like, block, sofa. Oh, it's not gonna work right now. I don't know why it's not working. It's probably because I did something. Anyways, you know how like it would only show the bottom part. I need to start editing my videos because I was just editing it. I want to start editing. I've been putting 0 effort into them because I've been busy lately. Once I'm gonna start editing them again, it just makes them so much better. Like if you want to see an edited video, check out my old ones that before I had a mic. Oh, by the way, I put my face back up. Oh, that's probably annoying. I'm just putting my fan back up. How loud is that? Oh, that takes up half the like volume. I'll just have to scream into the microphone. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this down because I know you probably can't hear. So, and I don't want to redo this whole thing again. So, as I was saying, we need to go in here and change this to column set primary part C frame. Copy this whole thing. But first we need to change this to C frame. So we need this to be a C frame. Anyways, hold Control, press X, delete the equals because we don't need it anywhere. Paste it, and then put times, which is 8. Hold Shift, press 8. Sorry. I am coding someone else's game lately. Boom, secret revealed while I've been busy. Also yard work. It's been a lot. Oh no, what am I doing in life? Then we need to do C-frame dot angles 0, 0. It's reference in the middle. And this is in the V. Math dot rad ROT. And let's go test it out. So if we join, it should bring a whole couch this time to it. So sofa. I messed something up. Apparently. I'm confused why it not work. Oh my god, get on my face. I messed something up. I'm not sure what. What is this? Oh. Cloning. Something off the cloning. I guess I messed something up. Where's the script there? There's no script there. What the heck? There's nothing wrong. Wait a minute. This might just, I really don't want to have to go retype all of this again. Like, really don't. No, because look, the wood block isn't even going. So replicate storage. has its objects, yes. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna go redo the whole code again. I'm gonna pause it so you don't have to deal with it. Alrighty, so that was my problem. I messed up, but as you can see, I accidentally deleted something earlier on apparently, so I just deleted everything and started fresh and did it all over again. I went into re-put in the building system, redid the building, not redid, I did not recode the whole thing, but yeah, I mean, I recoded the rotation. Exactly what I did in the video we showed you, I redid the same way. I just messed something up before without noticing. I think I set my headphones down on the delete key or something. Believe it or not, I have actually done that before. But as you can see, it's working, other than when you rotate it, it still spawns the right way, because I haven't got to that yet. That is very easy. We do exactly what we did before. What we do. Okay, but wait, we can't do it without the rotation here, so we're going to do rot. Right in here, and we're going to do one more firing a server, which is right here, comma, rot. And now we can go back here and we can do that. So we're going to do times cframe.angles 0, comma 0, and then space. By the way, that went fast for you. That took me about, I'm not sure, I'd have to check the times. It took me about 5 minutes. It's just weird how pausing works. Anyways, we're gonna do math.red, and then we're gonna do rot, and that's it. We are finished with it so far. And now you can see if we rotate it, boom, boom. You can't really tell if that. That is one problem. Like, it doesn't refresh. You put on dummy, it doesn't refresh this. Like, if you click it, refreshes. But like, you click, it works. But if you click, you have to refresh it by taking it. You can oh yeah, I thought so. Okay, you can rotate the dummy. Of course, obviously. The dummy's feet are stuck halfway in. Okay. The dummy is not. Okay, so that's weird. We have to fix that. That's easy though. It doesn't do that with the sofa, right? No, it doesn't. Ish. That's just the easy fix. You just gotta make it where, the easy way to do it. I'll show you later. Not in this tutorial. I'll show you next tutorial. Anyways, as you can see, it's working pretty well. Add your model, and it rotates. So all y'all that's been asking for rotates, I am very bad at C-frames. That took me like a week to figure out. But as you can see, it is obviously possible because I did it. Like always. Of course I did it. You still see the glitch, like if you try putting it here, it goes up and down like that. Sort of like it does not have any clipping unless you're on the ground. Which is fine. As long as you can like see, it's just really weird. It's simple. We can fix that next video. And you can shove yourself on the ground. That's easy. Just make it non-collidable. But yeah, that's it for today. That's as much as I feel like doing today. It is 11 and I need to go to bed because I'm tired. So enjoy. Link in the description because I'm about to go play. Oh wait, we aren't finished yet. Because I'm not gonna join again because I don't got the time to join again. But the remove tool does not work with it, so we have to essentially go if block.name equals player name, or block.parent.name equals player.name. Then, because and then we need to actually if block.name equals parent.name, else if block.name and .parent.name equals player.name, then block.parent destroy. Boom. We just destroy their parent instead of them. That's because their parent is down. Wow, the Roblox, that means if we spawn this, it will delete. But if we spawn the sofa, it will also delete. No matter what part you click on, it's going to delete. Now, you can quite literally spawn anything in here. So if I go to the toolbox, and I don't know, let's see, what can I spawn? And take this wooden crate out. Right? As long as it has a primary part, and we drag it in here. Just go in, let's name it root. Boom. As long as there's a primary part named root. And we join. Oh wait, whoops. Also, I didn't tell you this. Adding parts is pretty simple. Go into the script. Drag the material to the starter GUI. Go into the frame, open it up, click on one of these, the dummy one, duplicate it, move it down just the right amount. And once it's there, say the text to something like box. Go in the script, change it to objects dot crate, wood crate. Okay, and that's how simple it is. Drag the material, put it back into the block script. And I will also leave a readme script in it, so just in case you need to, I might be able to, I'll do that, I'll try. And now if we see the box, it now sort of works. I mean, it's really not the best system. It's because it's not anchored. It's because it's not anchored. Make sure you anchor it and it would work a lot better. Not everything, just the root part. So if we go in here and anchor the root, that's why you name it root, because it's easier to see than just center. It's easier to see. Anyways, if we anchor the root, and you see that that's a lot better. But actually, that still looks like it's unanchored. It looks like there's a script in it unanchoring it, but yeah, there's a script in it unanchoring it, but it works a little better because that's also because this glitched. Pretty easy to fix. And you can manage around this. It's not the worst. But just as long as you're on the top immediate, like it's pretty bad. I need to fix that. I'll do that in the next video, hopefully, if I can figure it out. But it might be really long. Anyways, I think that's it. I'm gonna group this all back up and update it. So yeah, if you have this in if you have this in your game already, then delete every part of the building system you have in your game and put this one in. Which, since it's updated, second, building system. Oh, there's a V5 now. Sorry, the V5. Man, if this was a car, it'd be pretty fast. Anyways, you don't actually have to go get it again. Like, if you have it, this building system will be updated, because all I'm going to do is go and update it to that building system. So you won't have to change it. But if you have the old one, which I'm not updating anymore, don't grab it. It's right somewhere, right here. Building system finished. Don't use this one, it's not updated. This one's the actual finished one. This one's not finished, it's lying to you. It's a liar, it's false, it's a faker, it's fake news. Do not trust the building system finish. Actually, I'll see if I can make that not able to download ever again. Also, if I have time, if I'm gonna go to bed after this, I'll do it tomorrow morning. I'm also gonna go on every other video and paste the new one's link, because I'm a good person, right? Anyways, that's it for Building System 5. And I'll show you how you publish stuff too. All you do is you click Save to Roblox over existing asset and look for your building system V4. Submit. Actually, I don't think it's to let me. No, wait, yeah, okay, it looks like let me change the name. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Why don't I see it? Okay, no, but it didn't let me change the name. I can actually change it right now, I think. No, I can't. Huh, you guys see what's inside it? That's cool. I never really thought you could do that. There you go. It's ready for you to enjoy my new building system. I worked very hard on this. You're welcome. I spent like a week. Just join my group. If you want to pay me back, just join my group. That's how you have to pay me. Join my group.